Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and remember to like, share and subscribe if you want to get the earliest notification. In today's video, I'll be discussing on the nth term of an arithmetic progression. Now if A is the first term, D is the common difference, N is the number of terms of an arithmetic progression, then nth term is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Now we have to note here that nth term is also denoted by an or tn. That is, instead of writing nthterm, we also write as an or tn. Now for example, for an AP which has 10 number of terms, that is for n equal to 10, nth term will be equal to A plus 10 minus 1 into D is equal to A plus 9D. Again, for an arithmetic progression of 17 terms, that is for n equal to 17, the 17 terms will be equal to A plus 17 minus 1 into D. It is equal to A plus 16D. Again, for an AP which has 100 number of terms, that is n equal to 100, then the 100th term will be equal to A plus 100 minus 1 into D is equal to A plus 99D. Now let us turn to your textbook page 139, exercise 5C. Question number 3, which says, find the nth term, the 20th term, and the 25th term of the AP, which is given by 21, 16, 11, 6, 1, minus 4, minus 9, and so on. Now here, your first term A is 21, so we write here 21, and your D is equal to A2 minus A1, that is second term minus the first term. This is equal to, since your A2 is 16 minus, since your A1 is 21, so we have here 16 minus 21, which is equal to minus 5. Now, nth term, it is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, which is equal to, since your A is 21, we write here 21 plus n minus 1 into, since your D is minus 5, we write here minus 5, which is equal to 21. Now opening the bracket, minus into plus is minus, 5 into n is 5n. Again, minus into minus here is plus, 5 into 1 is 5. So we get here 21 minus 5n plus 5, which is equal to, now 21 and 5, if you combine, we get 26 minus 5n. So we found that the nth term is equal to 26 minus 5n. Again, 20th term means your n is 20. So therefore, 20th term will be equal to here 26 minus 5 into n. For n equal to 20, so we put here 20, will be equal to 26 minus 5 into 20 is 100, will be equal to 26 minus 100 is minus 74. So the 20th term is minus 74. What does this mean? It means that in this AP, given AP, your first term is 21, second is 16, third is 11, fourth is 6, fifth is 1, and so on. And the 20th number, we will find that it is minus 174. Also, 25th term will be equal to 26 minus 5 into n. Since for 25th term, the n is 25, so we put here 25. So it is equal to 26 minus 125, which is equal to minus 99. That means here, when counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the 25th number here, we will get value which is minus 99. Let's come to question number 4, which says, is 310 a term of the AP 3, 8, 13, 18, dot, 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 and so on. Here, your first term A is 3, and your D, as usual, is A2 minus A1, that is 8 minus 3 equal to 5. Now let us assume that this 310 is the nth term. This nth term is equal to 310. Now nth term is A plus n minus 1 into D, which is equal to 310. Now A here is 3, so we put here 3 plus n minus 1 into D. Since your D is 5, we put here 5, it is equal to 310. Now 3, again, we open the bracket, 5 into n is 5n, minus 5 into 1 is 5, it is equal to 310. The next line we have 5n. Now this is plus 3 minus 5, if you combine we get minus 2, it is equal to 310. Again 5n will be equal to, now this minus 2, we bring it to the right hand side, it becomes plus 2. So we have here 310 plus 2. Now 5n will be equal to 310 plus 2 is 312. So therefore n will be equal to 302 divided by 5. Now what do we see here? That this 312, if we divide by 5, we get a decimal number. But since n is a counting number or a positive integer, so therefore here we find that it is not a counting number. That means, but see, this n must be a counting number or a positive integer. So here, since in this case, n is not a positive integer or a counting number, so therefore we conclude that 310 is not a term of the AP. Now we should note that if n we obtain to be a counting number or a positive integer, then we should conclude that it is a term of the AP. Let's come to question number 5.1, which says, which term in the AP 68, 64, 60, is minus 8? Now again here, your first term A is 68. Your D, which is A2 minus A1, will be equal to 64 minus 68 will be equal to minus 4. Now let us assume that nth term is equal to minus 8. Now nth term is A plus n minus 1 into D, which is equal to minus 8. Now your A here is 68, so we put here 68 plus n minus 1 into the D is minus 4, so we put here minus 4, it is equal to minus 8. So we have 68. Now we open up the bracket, minus into plus is minus, 4 into n is 4n, so we have here minus 4n. Again, minus into minus is plus, 4 into 1 is 4, so we have here plus 4, it is equal to minus 8. Then we have this minus 4n plus, now 68 plus 4, if you combine, we get 72, which is equal to minus 8. Again, minus 4n is equal to minus 8. Now this plus 72, we transfer to the right hand side, it becomes minus 72. So we have minus 4n is equal to, now minus 8 and minus 72, we have minus 80. Minus and minus gets cancelled, so therefore n is equal to 80 divided by 4. Now 4 times 20 is 80, so therefore n is equal to 20. So therefore, the 20th term in the given AP is minus 8, which means first term is 68, second term is 64, third term is 60, and so on. And we will find that this minus 8 is the 20th term. Let us look at question number 7.1, which says, determine the value of k so that k plus 2, 4k minus 6, 3k minus 2 are the 3 consecutive terms of an AP. So here, your A1 will be k plus 2, your A2 will be 4k minus 6, your A3 will be 3k minus 2. Now we know that in an AP there is always a common difference, and that common difference is given by A2 minus A1 is equal to A3 minus A2. Now putting the values of A2 here, 4k minus 6 minus your A1 to be k plus 2 equal to your A3 to be 3k minus 2 minus your A2 to be 4k minus 6. Now opening the bracket, we have 4k minus 6 minus k, plus and minus is minus, then 2, it is equal to 3k minus 2 minus 4k, again minus and minus, we get plus 6. Now combining the k's, that is 4k minus k, we have 3k, again minus 6 and minus 2, we have minus 8. It is equal to, again 3k minus 4k, we are left with minus k, again minus 2 plus 6, we have plus 4. Now 3k, now this minus k, if we bring it to the left hand side, it becomes plus k, which is equal to 4. Now this minus 8, if we bring it to the right hand side, it becomes plus 8. So we have 3k plus k, which is 4k, it is equal to, again 4 plus 8 is 12. So therefore k will be equal to 12 divided by 4, and 4 times 3 is 12. Hence the value of k is equal to 3. So students, I would like you to open your textbook and do the following exercise that have been mentioned here. And if you have any doubts or any comments to make, you kindly make a comment in my channel. So thank you for today.